Okay, we have Green's theorem. There are two forms. Normal form is flux is suppose C be a closed curve in a plane and the region bounded by C is R. Then the flux of a field F is integral over C F dot n ds, that is equal to integral over C m dy minus n dx, and Green's theorem says this is equal to double integral of the divergence of F. Say maybe F is equal, you can take F is equal to mi plus nj. And the tangential form says the circulation is equal, that is defined as integral over C f dot t ds, that is equal to integral over C m dx plus n dy equal to double integral over R dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dA. We have done one problem which verifies the Green's theorem. Now let us use Green's theorem to evaluate integrals of this form or maybe of this form. So let's do a problem. So evaluate integral over C y square dx plus x square dy, where C is the triangle bounded by the lines x equal to 0, x plus y equal to 1 and y equal to 0. Bounded by the lines x equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. So let us see how can I make use of my Green's theorem, both the forms, to evaluate an integral of that form. So let us think of the closed curve C first. There is a triangle bounded by the lines x equal to 0, x plus y equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. So let us see first what is a curve. So this line y equal to 0, this line x equal to 0, and the line x plus y equal to 1 passes to the points 1 0 and 0 1. So this is a line. So this is y equal to 0, this is x equal to 0, this is x plus y is equal to 1. So this is my curve C, and this is the region R bounded by the curve C. So if we try to evaluate this integral, my C is actually C1 union C2 union C3. So it's a union of three straight lines. To evaluate this integral, I have to go for the parameterization of each of these three lines, and I have to do three integrals to evaluate this one. So that's a lengthy work. So let's see how to use Green's theorem to evaluate that integral. Okay, my integral is of the form integral y square dx plus x square dy. It is again of the form, say some m dx plus n. Let me use first the tangential form, m dx plus n dy. If I take m is equal to y square and n is equal to x square, then my integral is of the form integral over C m dx plus n dy, or maybe I will do write that integral over C m dx plus n dy is actually integral over C y square dx plus x square dy. That is, if I choose m and n in this way, this is of this form, so I can make use of my Green's theorem. Here I am using the tangential form. So my dou n by dou x is n is x square, so dou n by dou x is 2x, and m is equal to y square, so dou m by dou y is 2y. So the k component is 2x minus 2y, or 2 times x minus y, and by Green's theorem this is equal to integral over C m dx plus n dy is equal to double integral over R dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dA. So this is equal to double integral over R 2x minus y, so it is 2 into x minus y dA. Now I have a double integral problem. Now the problem of line integral becomes a double integral problem. I have to evaluate this integral over the region R. So this is my thing. So I have to fix an order of integration. Let me integrate first. So my order of integration is first with respect to y, and then with respect to x, or I am going in the order dy dx. So to find the y limits, I know what to do. I have to draw a line through the region R in the increasing direction of y. It is entering at y equal to 0 and leaving at y is equal to 1 minus x. This is nothing but y is equal to 1 minus x. So what I have is 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1 minus x, and to include all such horizontal lines, vertical lines, we have to take x from 0 to this is a point 1 0. X has to vary from 0 to 1. So on my region R, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So this double integral over R 2 into x minus y dA is equal to integral 0 to 1 integral 0 to 1 minus x 2 times x minus y dy dx. Now this is equal to integral 0 to 1. So I can put the constant 2 outside. It is xy minus y square over 2 from 0 to 1 minus x dx. So let us substitute the limits. So for a moment I may arise here itself. Yeah, this is equal to 2 times integral 0 to 1. This is x into, I have to put a y equal to 1 minus x. This is x into 1 minus x. So x minus x square minus y equal to 1 minus x, so it's square. So minus 1 minus 2x plus x square over 2 dx. So I can multiply by 2. So this is equal to integral 0 to 1 2x minus 2x square minus 1 plus 2x minus x square. So this is equal to integral 0 to 1 minus 1 plus 4x minus 3x square. So this is equal to I have to put the dx is here. So this is minus x plus 4x square by 2, it is 2x square minus 3x cube by 3, it is minus x cube from 0 to 1. So this is minus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Lower limit is everything is 0. This is 0. So this is equal to 0. I am using the tangential form of my Green's theorem. Okay. I can make use of my normal form also. So let's see how to do that. Okay, if I choose m is equal to x square and n is equal to minus y square, then what happens? Then what is then integral over c m dy minus n dx is equal to integral over c m dy x square dy plus, minus n is minus y square, so it is plus y square dx. So that is same as of the given question. So I can view my given integral as integral over c m dy minus n dx as also. So by Green's theorem, this is equal to double integral over this quantity. Okay. Let me do that. Okay, so I have dou m by dou x is 2x, dou n by dou y is again minus 2y. So double integral over r dou m by dou x minus dou n by dou y dA is equal to double integral over r 2 times x minus y dA. Again we have the earlier situation and we have verified that this is also 0. So the message is that I can make use of both the normal form and tangential forms to evaluate integrals of this form, or integral anything, integral m dx plus n dy, or may not be in the form, something. Maybe as example, problem like this, I can make use of my normal form and tangential form of Green's theorem to evaluate the integrals. But if we go for the direct way, it's a lengthy computation. The labor is reduced by Green's theorem.